Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a chocolate chess pie. And I think you'll enjoy this, and it's an easy recipe. It's not hard to do. First thing we have is 1.5 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of just powdered cocoa, 1/4 cup of butter, and we melted this. We have 2 eggs that's going in this. And I'm not going to beat those eggs ahead of time. I could, but we're going to use electric mixer on this anyways. We're going to have to mix this for about 2 minutes to get the chocolate off of my finger. Get this spatula. Now we're going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Carnation, I use carnation evaporated milk. We're going to use 2/3 of a cup. We're going to mix all this up together. We're going to mix this with a mixer. Now I think that's mixed up well enough. We're doing 3/4 cup of pecans. I'm not going to use a mixer with this. I'll use my hands. It's real easy. You know, it's not hard at all. And I'm saying that with people that would not know much about cooking. We're going to place this in a 350-degree oven, and it's going to have to cook somewhere between 35 and 45 minutes. I'll have to start checking it around 35 minutes. So. Now we're ready to take our chocolate chess pie out of the oven. This actually cooked, you know, we told you 35 to 45 minutes. This cooked 40 minutes. Now that our chocolate chess pie is finished, you need to get some kind of ring like this. This works very good, but if you don't have one, you can make a ring out of foil, aluminum foil. It really keeps your crust from burning around the edge. Now, you don't have to do this when you first put your pie in. You can wait till half through baking if you want to. You don't have to be your own judge about that when you think this needs to be put on. So we're finished with the pie, and I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching.